In this video, I'm going to show you a Discord server in which you can get notified for different seeds, for weather, and for gear stock, as well as some other items inside the Grow a Garden game in Roblox. So, if you want to get notified, for example, for the gear shop stock, so anything basically lightning rods, the godly sprinkler or the master sprinkler or whatever this is called over here, as well as different pet eggs over here on the left, so you can get notified for bug eggs, legendary eggs, etc. And for the rarest seeds inside the shop, here's what you can actually do. So let me show you really quickly. First, you want to open up your Discord. Let me open it up like this. There we go. And you want to click on the plus icon here on the left where you can add a server. And then you want to click have an invite already, join a server. In here, inside the invite link, what you want to type is this. So I'm just gonna type this in. There we go. So that's basically what you want to type in, okay? So just copy this, you can pause the video or just rewind it and you'll see. And after that, click join a server. What this will do, you'll basically join a server over here, which is basically Grow a Garden fans. You will have to first, just tell them you will obey the rules. So yes, I will. You want to go next, earn a role. Let's claim your garden role now. And then what do you want to be notified for is what it's going to ask you. Now, over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to get notified for seed, sprinkler stock, and weather because this is what I want to know. I'm going to do next. And then over here, I can then select what I want to get pinged for. So I'm interested in when I get peppers. So I'm going to basically be notified whenever the pepper seed gets in stock, the mushroom seed, grape, and I also want a mango. And I'm just gonna do the, let's see what we can do. We can do the master sprinkler over here. I want to know when there's thunderstorm. I want to know where there's rain. And then let's say the bug and legendary egg. So you want to click on these and then click on next. And then once you're done, just want to scroll down, click on finish. And that's literally it. Now, whenever any of these happen over here, you'll basically be notified. And if you go to channels and roles over here on the left, you'll be able to see at the very bottom, you can select this and of course change it if you want to and add some things on. Now, once you do this, you'll be notified whenever something happens, and over here on the left, you can basically see how it happens. So you can see the seed stock, you can see the weather forecast, the egg stock, etc. Okay, so that is pretty much that. That is how you can do this and join this server. As you can see, weather forecast, there's a rain alert right now at this very second. And whenever this does happen, like it did right now, let's check in the game whether there's actual rain. Yes, as you can see, it's actually raining. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.